Okay, this is how to use the tape master tool in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the basic shape in here with a rectangle in here. We can make the basic shape with any size. Then you can right click and make group. Okay, then we can select the tape master tool in here. Okay, this one, and click. We can click in here. We can double click in here and click again and drag to the another side. For example, around 4 meter. We can type 4 meter in here. Okay, then we can double click in here. Okay, we can click again and drag to the another side around 4 meter also, and click again, drag to the another side around 4 meter, and click, and we can type around 5 meter or 4.5 meter and enter in here. Okay, and okay, and after that, now we can just copy it. We can just copy and select a move, tap control, and place to the position in here. So I will give you the difference. So this is the basic, and now we can draw the wall with the rotate rectangle with this guideline, the tape master tool in here, and then now we can click from this position to the position. We can type 150 millimeter in here, and just click and push it up around 4 meter, enter, or we can push it down a little bit around 2 meter here. Then we can double click, right click, and make group in here. Okay, then now we can select rotate, click. Okay, we can rotate, type control and type 90. Okay, then now we can place to the position in here. Okay, and click and select move, tap control and click, and just place to the position in here, and click and select move, tap control and just place. Okay, we can make sure on the middle point in here on this tape master tool guideline in here. Okay, and double click and push it to this position in here, and we can just click and select move, tap control and just place to the position in here, and click and push it to the position, and push it to the position in here. Okay, then now we can click and select move, tap control and just place it to the position in here, and triple click. Okay, and select the surface and just place to the position in here. Okay, and then we can triple click again, click and select the surface in here and push to the position in here. So this is the tape master tool function. Anyway, I will give the color of the wall in here to make the difference over there. Sorry. Okay, so this is the basic with the tape master tool, and this is with the wall in here. Okay, then we can also make the dimension. Okay, we can also make the dimension of it. We can select the tape master tool again and click from this edge and place, and click from this page to the edge in here, click to the edge and click to the edge in here one by one, and click and drag to the little space in here with any size. It's depend on you. Then now we can select the dimension and click. Okay, now we can make the dimension in here. Okay, anyway, we can click tape master tool and double click in here, okay, to appear this line in here, and now we can make the dimension in here. Okay, can make the dimension on the position and the dimension on this position in here. Click this one in here. Okay, and then now we can select window preference. Sorry, we can select the window model info and select the dimension and select all dimension, and then now we can select the font to change, we can select the bold, and we can select the kind of dimension. Okay, we can select the Arial bold in here. Okay, so it will be appear clear enough in here. Okay, it will help you to make the dimension and also the guideline to make the wall in here. Anyway, thank you for watching.